Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm showing you guys my family's favorite baked chicken over rice recipe. Hopefully you enjoy it. This one is very different from what I've made before, so hopefully you like it. Also, if you enjoy the recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new here, and let's get started. Alright guys, here are the ingredients. I am starting with bone-in chicken thighs. They're nice and clean, and I use lime and vinegar to clean them. Here I am using spinach. You can use whatever greens that you do like. And also we have some uncooked jasmine rice. I have to emphasize on the uncooked because a lot of you guys have been asking on my last video, was the rice cooked already? And here I have some green and red bell peppers, and also we have some onions here as well. And this recipe, what made it special, I'll be using some coconut rice. Us Haitian, we love ourselves some coconut rice. Okay, so I'll be using some coconut rice with creole seasoning, minced garlic, ground black pepper to season the rice, and this right here is to season the chicken. I have chicken bouillon. I have a bunch of seasoning, just know that. I'll have it down below, and you will need some oil and chicken broth. Okay, this is my homemade chicken broth. Let me know if you want to see a recipe. Not really a recipe, maybe I might do a short or like a story so you guys can see. But to season my chicken, I am going to drizzle about 2 tablespoons of oil on the chicken. Then we're going to take all of that seasoning, just mix it together with a fork. Okay, just like so. And then we're going to pour it all over the chicken. Now I am going to flip the chicken over and add the remaining of the seasoning. And now this is where you get dirty. Okay, you are going to make some love to the chicken, massage all that good seasoning in. So make sure you rub it in because you want that chicken to be nice and flavorful. Alright, once you are done seasoning your chicken, you can either place it in the fridge for about 30 minutes or even overnight if you want. But today we're cooking this right now, ASAP. Okay, so what I am about to do, I am going to place my cast iron on my stove. Once it's nice and hot, I am going to drizzle about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once that is nice and hot, you are going to place your chicken thighs skin down. Okay, just place it there and let it get nice and golden brown. You're not going to cook the chicken now, you just want to sear the chicken just to give it a nice color. Once one side is nice and golden brown, just flip it over. Allow the other side to be nice and golden brown. Now, because my cast iron is very big for my stove, the middle of the cast iron seems to get hotter. So you'll see me switch the chicken here and there, but just flip it on the other side once one side is nice and golden brown, which normally take about a minute. All right, look at those chicken thighs, absolutely gorgeous. Now you are going to place them aside while you get ready to cook your veggies. Look at that. That's what you're looking for. So now I am going to use the same cast iron that I was using before. I am going to place my green bell peppers, red bell peppers, and the onions in there. You are going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes until your veggies are nice and softened and also the onions nice and translucent. Oh, now my veggies are nice and soft. I am going to add in the spinach. You know how spinach can be, they just be disappearing for some reason. When you're cooking spinach, add more than you need. So now I am going to be adding in my minced garlic. I should have added before I added the spinach, but oh well. So now we are going to cook the garlic until it's nice and fragrant and turning golden brown. And then now it's basically the time for you to start adding your rice. But before you add the rice, make sure you give it a little rinse, okay? I like to rinse my rice. I don't know about y'all, but I'm going to give it a rinse and place it in the pot. Don't add any water because you're going to fry the rice. Fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. That's what's going to help the rice cook faster. Give it a little toss here and there. Keep stirring it, as y'all can see. We are not done yet. We're going to season this rice, honey. I am seasoning it with Creole seasoning and as well as some ground black pepper. Okay, once you add that in there, give it a toss. Now you're going to add your coconut milk. I just love me some coconut rice, y'all. So now I am going to be adding in my homemade chicken broth, or you can just buy some at the store, whatever you want. You can even use water if you don't have chicken broth. There's a lot of option when it comes to making this dish, okay? Or you can leave the coconut milk out completely. But trust me, the flavor, so good with the coconut milk. But we are going to add the water. So now we're going to finish adding the chicken broth. Then you are going to take your chicken, just place it right on top, just like that. Ooh, can you imagine all that flavor from the chicken, all the juice from the chicken? The rice is just going to soak it up. Ooh, this rice is going to be so flavorful. All right, now I am going to cover it Place it in the oven on 375 for 40 minutes, okay? Once it's done, this is your final result. One thing about me, I love me some rice and chicken. It's the Haitian in me, y'all. The juicy seasoned baked chicken thighs together in the sand pan with rice. Oh, I just rhymed. But y'all, you have to try this out. Thank you for watching today's recipe, guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you haven't done so already, and subscribe if you are new here. Subscribe, join the family, because I upload new videos here almost every single day. So subscribe so you don't miss out on those awesome, delicious recipes. Definitely try this out for your family. They will enjoy it. The chicken was so moist, so juicy, so flavorful. Hopefully you guys make this happen, because this definitely a 10 out of 10 in my book. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Bye.